warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well, my name is Widuri Kaini. I'm an English teacher from SMA Negeri 6 Pinggir, Bengkalis Regency, Riau Province. Now, I as a student of PPG Daljak 2020 at first grade of Universitas Negeri Malang. This is my identity card, and this is my examination card. In this occasion, I would like to inform that my video is done at Tuesday on November 17, 2020. In this video, I'm going to teach the 12th grade student of KD 3.3 about caption text by online class using WhatsApp group, Google Meeting, and Google Classroom application, and genre-based approach. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello my students.
Hello, Miss.
Hello, Miss.
Okay, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay, how is it going today? Your face is happy.
I'm
fine.
And you?
Okay, very good. I'm so good now. Thank you. Nando, lead your class to praying first.
Miss, attention please.
Okay.
Before we study, let's pray together. Let's pray. Pray finish.
Okay, thank you, Nando. Okay, students, please you type your name in chat room to fill attendance list. Have you typed your name? Okay, I think you have typed your name. Okay, good. Have you lunch now, class?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, very good. I'm happy to hear that. You show that very happy today. You must keep your healthy, especially in pandemic situation. You must always keep your healthy with the consume the healthy food, and then drink much mineral water, doing sport. And then if you want to go out from your home, please keep wearing the mask and keep the distance with the other people. Okay, Min Myria.
Okay, Miss.
Okay,
Today.
Miss.
How about your need? How about your area? Is it right?
Yes, it
Yes.
is clear, Miss.
Oh, yes.
Alright.
Okay. Rain, hujan
Rain,
dah.
Miss.
Ya, rain.
Rain, Miss.
Rain
Rain,
juga
rain,
ya?
rain.
Oke,
Rain,
sama.
Miss.
Mm-mm.
Ya,
Tadi
Miss.
masih dengar
Di
suara
Bogor
Miss kan? How about the connection?
Masih, Miss.
Disconnected,
I think
Miss.
the connection is good.
Very
Okay.
good.
Connection is good, Miss.
Okay,
Very good, Miss.
Very good. Okay. Can you hear my voice clearly?
Yes,
Hello?
Miss.
Yeah. Esther, are you okay?
Hello, Miss.
I think you are not good today.
Yes.
Are you
Makan
sick?
baksonya dikurangi, Ter.
Get well soon
Loh.
for you, Esther. Okay. How about the picture? I think is it clear for the picture? All right. Very good. Are you ready to start our lesson today?
Yes,
I'm ready, Miss.
Okay, very good.
Yes.
Okay, before the lesson begin, I will inform to
Yes.
you about the meeting rules today. First, please you mute your microphone if you don't need it to say something or don't answer my questions. And the second, please you unmute your microphone if you want to say something or to answer my questions. And the last one, I think it's good. You all of you have turned on your camera. Very good. I'm happy for you. Before we are going to discuss about the material today, I want to ask you, have you posted your story or update status in your social media for today?
Yes,
Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, of course, always, every day, every time, right? What was your posting?
Videos.
Videos.
Videos,
Who answer
photos,
Videos,
Picture.
photos, okay.
Quotes and
photos,
What?
orang pictures.
Pictures, okay.
Picture.
Okay. If you post a picture or videos, have you write some words in your post, in your video or in your picture?
Yes,
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 Miss.
I'm waiting.
I'm
Okay.
reading.
Yes, I'm waiting.
Right.
Okay. Why did you post your story?
To in motivation.
To motivate. How about the others?
Information, Miss.
To give information to other people. Okay, good for Regita. Okay, class. Based on the discussion now, do you know what will we learn today?
Caption, Miss.
Caption. Okay, very good for Esther. Okay, today we are going to learn about caption. Okay, do you know what why we must learn or study about the caption? Because if we learn about the caption, so we know how to write the good caption with our posting, with our picture or video. If we want to share or we want to post some video or picture in social media. Okay, right. We continue our lesson. I will present my PPT to you. Okay, can you see my PPT now?
Yes,
Next, this is the basic
Okay, Miss.
competence today. 3.3, membedakan fungsi sosial struktur teks dan unsur kebahasaan beberapa teks khusus dalam bentuk teks caption dengan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait gambar, foto, tabel, grafik, bahkan sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. Next, oke, 4.3, teks penyerta gambar atau caption. 4.3.1, menangkap makna secara kontekstual terkait fungsi sosial struktur teks dan unsur kebahasaan teks khusus dalam bentuk caption terkait gambar, foto, tabel, grafik, atau bahkan. Oke, the last one, menyusun teks khusus dalam bentuk teks caption terkait gambar, foto, tabel, grafik, bahkan. Oke, dengan memperhatikan fungsi sosial struktur teks dan unsur kebahasaan secara benar dan sesuai konteks. This is the learning purpose today. Melalui kegiatan pembelajaran daring dengan menggunakan pendekatan GBA, General Based Approach, peserta didik mampu. Nah, jadi hari ini yang akan kita capai ini nanti. Yang pertama, the first, menganalisis struktur teks unsur kebahasaan dengan membaca beberapa teks caption sesuai konteks penggunaan. Jadi nanti kita harus bisa menganalisis struktur unsur kebahasaan. Oke, the second, secara berkelompok membandingkan struktur teks beberapa teks caption terkait gambar, foto, tabel grafik, bahkan sesuai dengan konteks penggunaan. Next, the third, secara berkelompok berpikir kritis, mampu berpikir kritis untuk menyimpulkan informasi beberapa teks caption dari sosial media serta gambar, foto, tabel grafik, bahkan sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya dari beberapa caption dari koran. Oke, next, the fourth, secara berkelompok, nanti kalian harus mampu menjelaskan hasil dari analisis informasi beberapa teks caption dari sosial media yang kalian cari secara benar. And the last, secara individu, jadi nanti di akhir kalian harus mampu secara individu membuat kreasi, berkreativiti untuk membuat teks tulis caption dengan desain aplikasi untuk foto pribadi yang kalian ambil nanti boleh dari lingkungan sekitar sesuai dengan struktur teks dan unsur kebahasaan. Okay, let we continue to start our lesson today. I have picture for you. Let's see the picture. Can you see the picture?
Yes, I see, Miss. Yes, Miss.
Good. Okay, this is the first picture. Okay, you see the picture and think something about the picture. Okay. The second picture.
Hmm,
Okay. Okay, next, the
Social
third
distancing.
picture. Please, you think something about three pictures. Okay. Next, I want to ask you, based on the picture you have seen, what do you think of these pictures? Who want to answer my questions?
Azril, Miss.
Okay,
Makna, Miss.
Azril. Azril first.
Amin.
I can hear her. Huh?
I like to study COVID-19 where I'm studying Thomas and its test.
Okay, very good for Azril. Okay, you think the pictures related to the pandemic COVID-19 where we must wearing mask and keep distance. In the picture show that's right. Okay, good job for Azril. Okay, next I think Magda want give your opinion, right, please?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Azril. Okay, how about Magda's opinion?
I think that the three picture contain message on how to stay safe and protect yourself from the COVID-19 pandemic that is happening.
Okay, the three pictures is give a message that we must always keep or save our healthy in the pandemic situation, right? Okay, good job. Okay, next questions.
Miss,
What information do you get from these pictures?
I am Miss.
Okay, what is your name?
My name is Zen.
Okay, please, Zen.
Safe or work with wearing mask.
Okay, you describe the information from the what picture? Picture 1,
Picture
picture
one.
2, or picture 3?
Picture 1.
Picture 1. Okay, picture 1 give information about the safe hour work with wearing mask. Okay,
Mask,
very
mask.
good for Zain. Okay, next.
Zain.
How about the second picture? What information do you get?
Titin, Miss.
Okay, Titin,
Titin, Miss.
please. Please, Titin.
From the second picture,
Hmm?
we
Okay.
know that in the pandemic situation, we must keep distancing.
Okay, we must keep distancing. There are in the picture there are some people with the long distance. Okay. Okay, good. For Titin. Okay, how about the third picture? What information in the third picture?
Pariam, Miss.
Okay, please, Pariam.
The picture is so that we must wearing the mask right.
Okay, we must wearing the mask right. Okay, good job for Pariam. Okay, let's see. So now we are going to learn about the caption. Okay, let's see. This is the picture. The caption is, "Don't be careless. COVID-19 Session 2 is hitting various countries now." So the point from this picture, we can make some caption, but the message is same ya. Intinya adalah melindungi diri dari COVID-19. Okay. Next, the second picture. Sorry. Nah, tadi Titin.
No,
Hi.
Miss, I'm picture
Sorry.
2.
Kamu picture keberapa? Ini picture kedua. Oh, tadi Titin yang ini ya?
Yang ketiga, Miss, yang
Titin yang
Iya,
ini
Miss.
tadi ya?
Yes, Miss.
Oke, keep distance ya, menjaga
Yes,
jarak.
Miss.
Nah, sedangkan orang yang buat gambar ini, oke, someone make this picture, give a caption, "Distance means so little when life means so much," katanya. Apa ini artinya? Ada yang tahu? Who knows the meaning?
Jarak, Miss.
Oh, jaga jarak, Miss. Oke, siapa tuh
jarak,
suaranya?
jaga
Lia.
Lia, Miss.
Oke. Oke, Lia. Dah, lah kita lanjutkan. Let we continue. Nah, distance means so little. Distance, jarak, sangat artinya sangat kecil. Maksudnya berarti sangat kecil. When life means so much. Ketika hidup itu artinya lebih lebih besar.
But
Jadi
Besar.
intinya apa di sini message-nya? No problem to keep distance ya, karena memang ingin sehat, ingin selamat, ya kita harus memang jaga jarak, itu ya pesannya.
Jarak.
Okay, the third picture nih, wear your face mask the right way. Oke, udah sesuai tadi ya. Pariam juga katakan itu, gunakan masker dengan baik. Jelas nih, ada maskernya masa digunakan di chinnya, di apa dagunya. Harusnya for face, the mouth and the nose. Okay. Next. Okay, this is our focus today. Okay, in this occasion, we will discuss about what is caption, what is social function of caption, how many kinds of caption, what is generic structure of caption, and then the last one, how to write up caption. Okay, next, let's see the definition of caption. Okay, who want to help me to read it, please? Okay, suaranya Titin kayaknya ya. Titin, please.
According to Cambridge Academic Correct text over or under a picture in a book, magazine,
Okay.
or newspaper that describes the picture or explain what the people in it are doing or saying.
Okay, thank you Titin. Who knows the meaning?
Lia Miss.
Oke, Lia, please.
Caption adalah singkatan di atas. Caption adalah teks singkatan di atas atau di bawah gambar di buku, majalah atau koran yang mendeskripsikan gambar atau menjelaskan apa yang dilakukan atau dijelaskan orang-orang dalam pepatah. Bentar,
Oke, very good for Lia. Lia semangat banget kayaknya ya. Oke, bagus Lia. Oke, next. Nah, kita lihat lagi. Let's see, what is a caption? Ini dia. Who want to read it, please?
I am Zain. Yeah,
Zain.
Miss.
Okay,
Yes.
please, Zain.
What is this? What is a caption? A caption is a short explanation or description of a picture located near the picture.
Okay.
It
Next.
can be on either side of the picture, above the picture, or below the picture. The information included in a caption is very detailed and specific, but short and the point. A caption doesn't always tell the whole story. A caption often accompanies a story.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Zain. Who knows the meaning?
Caption adalah penjelasan atau deskripsi singkat dari suatu gambar yang terletak di gambar
Okay.
tersebut.
Okay, stop. Kita bahas satu-satu dulu. We discuss one by one. A caption adalah
Yes.
penjelasan singkat atau deskripsi atau penjelasan tentang sebuah gambar yang berada di dekat dengan gambar. Okay. Next, it can be on either side of the picture, above the pictures or below the picture. What's the meaning?
Bisa di kedua sisi gambar,
Ya.
di atas gambar,
Ah.
atau di bawah gambar.
Oke, jadi caption itu bisa berada di sisi kedua tuh berarti di kanan boleh, di kiri boleh, di atas juga boleh, di bawah juga boleh. Itu penjelasannya ya. Oke, good Esther. Next.
Informasi yang termasuk dalam keterangan tersebut sangat rinci dan spesifik, tetapi singkat dan langsung ke intinya. Judul tidak sesuai menceritakan keseluruhan cerita. Judul sering kali menyertai sebuah cerita.
Oke, very good. Give applause for Lia. Lia nih rajin banget nih dibaca, memang benar-benar berarti handout yang Miss share dahan ya di Google Classroom. Next. Oke, continue. What is the social function of caption? Social function to tell. Okay, who want to read it, please?
Regi, Miss.
Oh, Regi, please Regi.
Tell the viewer,
Dengan aja
reader
Miss, maaf.
about what's happening in the picture, video, table, or grab.
Okay, thank you for Regita. Okay. Okay, next the kinds of caption. Okay, there are 6 of caption. First, identification bar, cut line, summary, expanded, quote, identification group. Okay. Next, let's see. What is identification bar? Okay. Identification bar, the caption is who is someone in the picture. Ya. Jadi identification bar itu berisi informasi hanya who. Who itu adalah siapa. Berarti orangnya. Ya, Nak. Orangnya saja yang ada informasi dalam caption tersebut. And then next, cut line, who is the person and what's happening. Jadi caption cut line itu informasinya hanya siapa, who dan apa yang terjadi pada gambar tersebut. Itu disebut dengan cut line. The third, summary. Ya, nah caption ini summary ini consists 5W. Nah, what, who, where, when, and why. What, apa, ya nak? Berarti apa yang terjadi dalam gambar atau video tersebut. Next, who, siapa, berarti siapa yang ada dalam gambar tersebut. Who ada di dalam gambar. Next, where, apa where nak?
Ada place di mana?
Di mana? Di mana berarti tempatnya. Next,
Tempat
where.
apa?
Ya, where itu kapan, berarti adalah
Kapan?
Ya. Kapan kalau kapan?
Di mana?
Time-nya ya. And then next, why.
Waktu.
Why itu apa?
Mengapa?
Kenapa nih?
Mengapa caption gitu?
Tahu bagaimana?
Expanded. Nah,
Bagaimana?
expanded.
Yes, Miss.
Lanjut ya. Next, expanded.
Yes, Miss.
Expanded itu consist 5W, 1A. 5W, 1H. What, who, where, when, why. Dan ditambah dengan how. Ya, how itu adalah apa arti how?
Bagaimana?
Bagaimana? Oke, lebih
Bagaimana?
lengkap lagi. Iya, lebih lengkap lagi daripada summary. And then, the five is quote. Nah, ini quote ini inspiring quotation, ya. Kata-kata inspirasi, motivasi. Kayak tadi siapa yang bilang ya? Jawabannya si Hoki tadi kalau nggak salah ya. Posting story itu untuk motivasi, makanya juga kan. And then the last, identification group. Nah, identification group ini hampir sama dengan identification bar. Tapi bedanya kalau identification group itu, there are more one people in the picture. Lebih dari satu, ya. Menjelaskan informasi lebih dari satu orang yang ada di gambar. Yang ada di gambar itu lebih dari satu orang. Kalau di identification bar, just one people. Oke. Kita lanjut ya. Okay, what is generic structure of caption? First, using simple present tense, simple past tense, or future. Depend on the situation and condition. Ya, jadi caption itu bisa menggunakan simple present, bisa menggunakan simple past tense ataupun future, tergantung pada situasi, kondisi, dan waktunya. Caption itu mau menjelaskan tentang situasi atau kejadian kapan, seperti itu. Next, the second, there are 5W, 1H in caption. Ya, nah, good caption, caption yang bagus, caption yang baik itu harus memenuhi unsur 5W, 1H. Ya. Nah, the third, written in complete sentence, ditulis dalam kalimat lengkap. And then the fourth, clearly identify the people and location in the photo. Ya, mengidentifikasi atau menjelaskan orang dan lokasi di foto itu secara jelas. And then the last, identify the person from left to right. Nah, ini kalau untuk identification bar itu biasanya kan menjelaskan, misalnya ada foto lebih dari satu orang, itu kalau kita mau menuliskan namanya atau menjelaskan namanya, itu harus dari kiri dulu disebutkan ke kanan, ya, nggak boleh dari kanan dulu ke kiri, tapi harus dari kiri ke kanan. Oke, do you understand? Okay, next, how to write a caption text. To write the caption, first, observe the picture or video that you will give the caption. Ya, yang pertama harus kita lakukan, lihat dulu, amati dulu gambarnya, ya, atau videonya yang akan kita kasih caption. Ya, udah kita lihat. Selanjutnya, find out the message from the picture before you write the caption. Temukan pesan pada gambar atau video yang ingin kita kasih caption. Kira-kira apa pesannya dari gambar tersebut yang sesuai, ya. And then the last, write a sentence or phrase under the picture. Tulis kalimat atau frase di bawah gambar. Nah, tadi di atas sudah kita bahas bahwa menulis caption tidak harus di bawah saja, ya. But you can write the caption in over, in left side, or in right side, ya. Okay, students, based on the explanation about the caption, have you understood about the caption?
Yes.
Yes, Miss, I have.
Miss, I have.
Okay,
I
very
have.
good. Any questions? Any questions?
I miss.
Okay, Regi, please.
Miss,
Hmm?
you see to write caption we may using simple present tense, past tense, future tense.
Hmm?
What do you mean about the explain, Miss?
Okay, you mean that in the last I explained about the caption, the using of tenses of caption is using simple present tense. We may using simple present or simple past tense or future. It depend on the situation and condition or time. Ari, do you know what tense is used to write the caption? Nggak nyimak tadi kan? Oke, sekarang simak, dengarkan tuh tadi Reginanya ya. Nah, jadi untuk buat caption, to write caption, we can use simple present. If you want to give information about the situation or condition about now time ya. Jadi kalau kondisi yang ingin dijelaskan itu pada saat ini, itu kita gunakan tenses present. But if we want to give information or if we want to write the caption about the last or the past event, we may or we use about the past tense, yeah. But if we want to give information about the something will happen, ya. Nah, ketika kita mau buat informasi yang masih akan terjadi, belum terjadi, nah kita gunakan tenses future tense.
Past tense. Oh.
Masih akan terjadi future, Ari, ya. Sudah jelas, Regi?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, good job for Regi. Okay, I think enough for the explanation of caption. So now let we continue to group. Yeah. Okay. In the last meeting, I have divide you on groups on WhatsApp group. Yeah. Let we continue our lesson to Google Classroom. Okay. To do joint construction. I give you 20 minutes to finish your job, your group work. You must work in pairs. I will share the worksheet in your Google Classroom. Okay, class?
Okay, Miss. Okay, Miss.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, students. Hello. Have you finished your task?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss. I have finished. I have.
Okay, very good. Now, based our appointment that today, that now you have to present your task. Okay, please. Who want to present first?
Yeah, Miss.
Okay, please, Magda.
From picture, do not be afraid coronavirus while Answer. Picture 1. The message. Do not be afraid of the circumstance. We must be strong to resist the existing trials.
Okay, next.
B. Present example. Do not be afraid. C. The information about 5W ditambah 1H.
Okay.
What? Coronavirus will be going
Will be going.
to
Okay,
be
next.
going to coronavirus
Coronavirus.
virus.
Next.
Picture 2.
Okay.
answer
Answer
the message of answer the message of the
message
picture
of the
is we must now to avoid the coronavirus. B. Tense is asked on the
is
picture is
used.
present. Example, stay alert, stay healthy, beautiful life. C. The information about 5W ditambah 1H. Who, corona, how, clean your hands, and raise your immunity.
Okay. Finish, Magda?
Okay, Miss. Yes, Miss.
Okay. Let me see the first picture. Coba Miss lihat gambar pertamanya Magda.
Ini,
Okay.
Miss.
Okay, good. Okay. The first picture from Magda's group is there is a picture about, I think this is the coronavirus, right? Ini simbol dari coronavirus ya. Okay, with the
Yes, ma'am.
caption, do not be afraid, coronavirus will be gone. Next, how about the tenses? Tensesnya menggunakan simple present ya. Okay, good. Do not be afraid. Do ini ya. Ini adalah
Do.
present ya, simple present. Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Very good for group 2. Okay.
Thank you,
next.
Miss.
Okay, you are welcome. Okay. Next presentation from group. Siapa lagi? Who want to present?
Titin, Miss.
Titin.
Miss.
Okay, please.
Hello, class.
Hello, Titin.
My name is Titin Valencia. I'm from group 2.
Group 2 or
Group
group 1? Okay.
Group 1, Miss.
Please.
Sorry. I want present from my group.
Okay, please.
Picture 1, working in wet markets.
Yeah.
Stay healthy. Frequently wash your hands with soap and water after touching animals and animal products. Disinfect equipment and working area at least once a day. The message from the picture for workers in traditional markets to maintain their health in the current corona pandemic situation.
Okay.
Tense
Tense.
use are simple present tense. Example, working in wet markets, stay healthy, and then wash your hands.
Oke, sebentar Titin, for your correction. Bentar Titin, sebelum lanjut. Nah, koreksinya tense use is simple present tense, bukan are ya. Nanti diperbaiki itu ya.
Okay.
Oke, next.
Yeah, Miss.
Next. How about information?
See, information about.
Okay, very good for your group,
Yes, Miss.
Titin. Okay, now I want to
Yes,
ask you,
Miss.
Titin, what is the difference between the first picture and the second picture?
Kalau perbedaannya, gambar pertama itu dia lebih menunjukkan kepada para pekerja di pasar tradisional.
Oke,
Untuk menjaga kesehatannya dari infeksinya, Miss.
Okay, good job for you. Next, I think you have finished for joint contraction. Okay, students, don't forget, after this meeting, we will continue our lesson at Google Classroom again to do the individual tasks. But before we join to Google Classroom, I want to ask you, let we make a conclusion from the lesson today. Okay, listen to me. I want to ask you, what did you get information from the lesson today? Or what's your conclusion?
Miss. My name is Muhammad Al-Aziz.
Okay, listen.
The conclusion is
The conclusion.
today we study
We
study about caption. Study about caption.
Yeah.
Caption is brief text over or under a picture in a book, magazine, or newspaper, and that describe the picture or explain what the people in it are doing or saying.
Okay, good. Okay, today we have learned about caption. Okay, you know that the caption is brief text. Usually we find out the caption in the picture, in the video, right? Okay, and then we also find the caption like in social media or in public media like WhatsApp maybe, or Facebook, Instagram, or in newspaper, magazine, or a book, or etc. Right. Okay, good job for Zain. Okay, any else?
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, my pleasure.
Hi, Miss.
Okay, Pranando, please.
From the lesson, today we get information of the create the caption text.
Caption text. Okay, please.
Service the picture of video that you will give the caption. Find out the message from the picture before you read the caption, and then read sentences or parts under the picture. Finish, Miss.
Okay, good. Okay, all right. Today we also study about how to create a caption. First, observe the picture or a video that you will give the caption, right? And then the second, find out the message from the picture before you write the caption. And then the third, write a sentence or phrase under the picture, Nando said. But you have to know, create the caption not just under, but we can create a caption over or left side or right side. Jadi nulis caption itu tidak hanya di bawah saja, boleh di bawah gambar, tapi boleh juga di atas, di sisi kanan, di sisi kiri, di mana mau meletakkannya ya, bukan hanya di bawah. Okay, and then for your notes, to write a good caption, we must include 5W or 5W and 1/8. Okay, but overall it's good. Thank you, Fernando. Good job. Okay, students, I think enough for today. I'm happy have a class for you. I think the lesson today is useful for us. Thank you for the joining us. And assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye,
Okay. Don't forget, we will continue our lesson to Google Classroom. Ya, kita lanjutkan pembelajaran kita ke Google Classroom ya, Nak. Komunikasi juga kita lanjutkan by WhatsApp.
Oke, Miss.
WhatsApp group, ya.
Miss.
Oke, bye-bye.
Bye.